Good morning, children. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes Key Discussion class. Narayana Live Classes Key Discussion class, Social Studies, Assignment 5, Class 10. The topic is the people. The topic is the people. Okay, children. So, today we will learn about the different aspects of the population. Like yesterday we have learned about the literacy rate, sex ratio, population growth, etc. No? So today, what are the reasons for the population growth? What are the different attributes of the population change? Why the population changes? What is the density of population? What is meant by fertility rate? Why the fertility rate is declining in a country? All these are the different concepts of today's lesson. So children, before we start this particular lesson, first thing is we should understand about the density of population of a area. What is meant by density of population of an area? The number of people living in a square unit area, whether that is a square kilometer, that is called as the density of population. What is meant by density of population? The number of persons available in a square unit of area, that is called as the density of population. So first question answer is density of population. That is called as the density of population. The second one, see children, the people as a part of this population change, there are three attributes. The first one is birth rate, the second one is death rate, and the third one is the migration. As a part of the migration, the people may move out of the country, and sometimes they may move within our country also. So the people those are moving outside, we call that as the international migration. The people those are moving or changing within our country, internal migration. The internal migration will not change the number of population. Suppose from our country 1 million people went out of the country, then 1 million people will decline in our country. International migration will change the number of population. But internal migration will not change the number of population, but it will change the distribution of the population, whether they are in the rural area or urban area, whether they are in the native place or they went outside. Like that, the distribution of the population will be changed. So the which migration does not change the size of population, but changes the or influences the distribution of the population in a particular country. What is that means? Internal migration. Okay, children. So the second one is internal migration. Internal migration will not change the size of the population, but it influences the distribution of population in a country. Okay. And see, based upon the density of population, the statistics says that India has the density of population of 382 persons per square kilometer. In this, Bihar has the highest density of population with 1106 per square kilometer area, and the least amount of the density of population is found in Arunachal Pradesh with 17 persons per square kilometer. So children, now the question is you need to identify the mismatch. See this, what is the mismatch? Bihar 1106 is correct, but Arunachal Pradesh 382 is wrong, because Arunachal Pradesh has 17 persons and 382 is for India. So the mismatch is Arunachal Pradesh. The mismatch is Arunachal Pradesh. The mismatch is Arunachal Pradesh with 382. Okay. And now the information has been given to you. You have to fill the second pair based upon the first pair information. The first component of the population change is birth rate. Then second component is what? Second component is death rate. What is the second component? The second component is death rate. And what is the third component, children? What is the third component? The third component is migration. The third component is migration. Okay. So there is a graph that is given. That is fertility rate graph was given in the textbook. You need to read that particular graph, and you need to write one reason for the trend that you have observed in the graph. First of all, what is the trend that you have observed in the graph? You have observed that the fertility rate in India and also in Andhra Pradesh has been declining continuously. So that is the trend that you have to observe. After you observe that, you need to write one reason. What is the reason why the fertility rate graph is showing a declining trend? What is the reason? Means awareness among the people regarding the disadvantages of the large families. So awareness among the people regarding the disadvantages of the large families. That is the answer. Okay. And see, you need to write two slogans on the importance of the family planning. Plan your family. Plan your family. Plan your budget. If you plan 2 children, you can have a very good budget. If you plan 4 children, then automatically your budget will cross your plan. So plan your family, plan your budget. Follow family planning. Follow family planning. Help everyone to get sufficient sources. To get a sufficient amount of the resources. Or you can say this also, that is 2 is better. 2 is better. 1 is best. The number of children. 2 children is better. 1 children is best. So you can go like this. Different slogans you can write for the promotion of the family planning. Define fertility rate. What is meant by fertility rate, children? The number of children a woman can give birth to in her childbearing age. That is called as a fertility rate. The number of children a woman can give birth to in her childbearing age is called as the fertility rate. So, some of the areas have the highest density of population. Some of the areas do not have the highest density of population, like Bihar and Arunachal Pradesh. What are the reasons? The reasons are very simple. That is the opportunities and resources. Like water, fresh air, or minerals, or jobs, education. Like this, the opportunities and resources are not uniform throughout the country. They are somewhere very high, somewhere very less. Where high opportunities are there we find more population. Where low opportunities are there, we find low amount of the population. Right, children? Okay, so the next one is what is the message that is given in the picture? In that is in textbook page number 79, figure number 6.1. Small family is the ideal family. What is the message from that? Means small family is the ideal family. It is the ideal family. Why it is the ideal family? Because they provide all the resources to the children. Sufficiently. Hence, small family is the ideal family. That is the given message. You can see that there 2 pictures are given. One picture, one lady with 2 children, and another picture is there. That is a person is holding a family having a number of children is restricted, but a person who is holding more number of children, he is about to fall and that is going to be broken. That means a small family is an ideal family. That is the message that is given in that particular picture. Okay. So what are the reasons for the population growth? What are the reasons? The reasons are decline in death rate. Decline in death rate. Why the death rate has declined? What is the reason? That is control of epidemic diseases, control of starvation deaths, control of almost all the death rate due to sudden deaths due to better vaccines and a complete development of the child and women programs, child and women healthcare programs. All these are the reasons for the decline in the death rate and an increase in the birth rate. An increase in the birth rate. Why there is an increase in the birth rate? What is the reason? It is not the birth rate increasing, but birth rate is not continuously increasing, but it has not fallen down. It has not fallen down. What is the reason? Because of the better medical care, better opportunities, better vaccines. All these are the reasons for having a better birth rate. And at the same time, they have controlled all the starvation deaths with Green Revolution. Due to Green Revolution, everybody they are getting sufficient amount of the food grains. They are getting a sufficient amount of the food grains. Hence, the lifespan of the people has increased. And the better employment opportunities. Good employment. Employment is also one of the reasons that they are able to get sufficient amount of the money to maintain their families, and hence that is also one of the reasons for having a better standard of living. These are all the reasons for the increasing population in a country. Okay children, tomorrow I will meet with one more assignment key. Until then children, have a good day and nice health. Thank you.